When you rent a vehicle, you need to purchase insurance from the place you're renting it. Do you have comprehensive coverage and collision coverage? That's the key. If you have collision coverage on your personal policy for a vehicle, for example, if you have a 2024 Lexus, most likely you're going to have comp and collision. That collision coverage is going to be extended to your rental. So I will say, no, you do not need it. But I will also say, in some cases, I recommend that you do purchase it. And let me explain why. When you rent a vehicle from any rental car place and you get in a car accident, what is not covered by your auto policy is the time that the car is down. So let me give you a quick example. I rent the car. I have collision on my policy, so I don't purchase the auto policy through the rental spot. And in that accident, that car is down 13 days because of not being able to get parts in time. So the coverage for the parts and the repairs is covered by my auto policy. But the 13 days that they could not rent that vehicle would be held responsible to me. So in some cases, I would recommend you to purchase the coverage right through the rental car spot. But in a lot of cases, most people choose not to, and they just urge and make sure that they have the right coverage, which is collision on your policy. But remember, you still have some liability risk, which is really the days that the car is out of commission and not being rented. It really is a choice on how much risk you want to take. If you want to take no risk, I would tell you purchase the rental insurance right at the spot that you rent the car. If you want to take a little bit of risk, I would tell you as long as you have collision on your own personal auto policy, you should be okay. You are carrying a little bit of risk, but not a whole heck of a lot.